Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling location services and granting the app precise location permission. This ensures accuracy. Next, open the messaging or map app and pick the contact or group you want to share with. Tap the menu and choose Share Live Location or Start Sharing. Do it now so the app can request background access. Once done, set the duration for sharing and confirm. This step starts continuous updates instead of single pins, which is why precision and permission matter for subsequent tracking. Now verify the connection and the accuracy of the live feed. Look for a tight blue dot or a reported accuracy like 520M. Poor accuracy means you may need to move to open sky. If updates stall, toggle Wi-Fi or mobile data briefly or restart location services. That often reestablishes the stream. Make sure the recipient's app shows a moving marker and fresh timestamps. This confirms two-way visibility and that your device is sending periodic location pings as intended. To finish, stop sharing manually in the app or let the chosen duration expire. This removes continuous updates. If tracking stops prematurely, first check app permissions, disable battery saver and background restrictions, and ensure location is set to high accuracy. These commonly block updates. If problems persist, restart the device to refresh GPS or reinstall the app to clear corrupt settings. One troubleshooting tip: if location shows as stationary, walk a short distance to force a GPS recalculation before deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.